After the Pahalgam attack, the routes been diverted, tourists been struck, localites are facing issues regarding there's several works that need to that's been delayed now. You see, right now I'm here at Chandimat area of Poonch, where 8 kilometer traffic jam has taken place, and approx 250 to 300 vehicles are in queue waiting just for their turn, so they can get rid of this traffic, and also they can move towards the Srinagar side, at Kashmir side. But after the Pahalgam attack has taken place, this sort of insecurity, this sort of fear in the mind of people, tourists that have come here, and also the localites which have their small business and are going to Kashmir side, are also waiting in queue from last 36 to 40 hours. Just to get their turn so they can move forward. And from Chandimat to Hirpur, there's a 35-kilometer stretch that's been told that's closed from last 2 days, with the enhanced with extended timings from night to morning, from 6 p.m. At the evening, and to the 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. So traffic is released in the morning, and when the evening, uh, at the evening, it again barricades, the police barricades the place, and the traffic has to stop. You see how tourists are waiting in their vehicles. They haven't eaten anything, they're just waiting for their turn so they can go forward. There are tourists who come from different states. The one I was talking to, they are from Odisha, and they have came first time. They have came first time from Odisha to Kashmir. What sort of insecurity you have in your mind? What you want to say? How you feeling right now? Have you eaten something, or what sort of preparations are being made by the administration side?
See, we have come prepared like we will enter by evening. That's how we planned. We came out from Katra at around 7, and we thought we would reach Srinagar by 5. So that's what was planned. Then how are we supposed to prepare for dinner and all? We thought that we would reach there and prepare the dinner. So it is a moment of crisis. We don't know how to deal with it.
You heard about the attack, the terror attack which has
Yeah, we have heard, and of course, there's network problem. Families are calling from many of us are from Bengal, and families are calling that the Pahalgam matter, and they are worried about our safety. Yeah, we are first time in Kashmir. I told you that पहली बार आए हैं.
So,
तो
will you go further also, or you'll postpone the plan?
see, till now, we have planned that at least till Srinagar, if we can reach. If not, then if we are blocked further ahead, then we will return to Katra. What can be done more?
And what was the expense that one made to make out this trip?
See, as he told that per head around 30,000. So we are a group of 35 members, and um, above. Apart from that, the gondola rides and all for 26,000 was around the cost of the ticket. So we don't know how to deal. See, apart from all this, we are more worried about the safety part. So पैसा तो वो तो है ही.
What's the name?
My name is Chandrima Maiti, and
These are the sort of emotions that people have. We have some localites also. क्या कहेंगे आप? क्या लेकर आ रहे थे?
अब
कहाँ?
ये माल में बेची बच्चे छोटे छोटे सारा सब मर गए। देखो ये यहाँ देखो एक मर गया। हाँ भेड़ लेके आए, कल के बांधे। कल 2-3 दिन हो गए जनाब फके इसी तरह माल मर गया। सर बहुत बहुत क्या पता, बोलते सुबह छोड़े के सुबह अभी थोड़ी नहीं छोड़ा।
आप अभी सभी जा रहे हैं आगे?
हाँ सभी जा रहे हैं आगे।
टूरिस्ट आपके साथ कौन है?
नहीं ऐसे ही हम श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं।
श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं।
हम सब वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स लेके आए हैं, सब श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं। कल शाम के यहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं, जम्मू से लेके आए हैं। हाँ जी, सब जम्मू से लेके आए। वो मैक्सिमम ख़राब हो चुका है उसमें, और जहाँ पे स्पेस पे नहीं है उसको साइड करना। इसी रूट से अभी वो बंद है, तो इसी रूट से आना। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक्चुअली यहाँ पे पहले लेट खुलता था, वो रास्ता बंद हो गया, उसकी वजह से ये जल्दी खोलना पड़ा। उसको भी परेशानी तो आएगी उनको भी, लेकिन ये है कि वो कल से वो ज़्यादा मेजर इशू बना हुआ है। तो मेरा उमेश, हाँ जी।
This was Umesh, that was Chandrama. They were telling the story, how they're feeling and what sort of emotion they have right now, because they are stuck in 8 kilometer long stretch of traffic jam and at Chandimat area. And this is the situation at both the places, whether it's Kishtwad area which connects Kashmir, and other side this is Chandimat which connects. So at both the places there's a huge traffic jam, and people, whether tourists or the localites, are facing issues. They are just waiting for their turn so they can get rid of this traffic and issues that they are facing. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Aman Bhadra for India Today, Chandimat, Poonch.